Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Chat GPT image generator. So what you're going to do is go ahead and make your way over into your Chat GPT application just like this. And most version of Chat GPT can go and create an image. So all you're going to have to do is just go through and you want to make a prompt that's going to tell it to create an image of your liking. So if I wanted to go and create an image, I could start writing something like create an image of, and then you want to go and start typing in what you want, make the image of. So if you want to make the image of it really doesn't matter what it is, you're going to have to just describe what the particular image is. So if I wanted to make an image of a cat, playing a guitar, let's say I wanted to go ahead and basically do that, well, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and just start kind of writing out that particular prompt, create an image of a cat playing a guitar. Now, when you send it, it's going to take some time to create this image. Now, there's a couple things to keep in mind. The image has to be within their terms of, guidelines, security, and privacy stuff. You can't say anything wild. It will not make an image of it. You might be able to get away with some things, but it's not going to really do well. Now, it will take some time to generate that image. So, most of the time, we end up just sitting here. If you have ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro, then those versions of ChatGPT will give you a little bit of better experience for the most part, but still it's still probably better off if you just kind of do it this way, because it might just be a better experience for the most part for a majority of people. So, and once it generates that image, you're basically going to be good to go, and then you can use that image whichever way you want. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.